the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guests, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Abdullah, and today the topic of my speech is the importance of 14 August. My friend, 14 August is a national holiday in Pakistan. You can see our national flag in various sizes, on a car, on a motorbike, on landmark, and on houses. Shopkeepers are prepared with independence t-shirts and green and white traditional clothes. All the persons are looking united by the feeling and emotions of enjoyment. My friend, 14 August is a day when the Muslims got a separate homeland. Under the dynamic leadership of our great heroes like Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, here you can raise your question, why we got this land like a heaven, which we call Pakistan. My friend, we must celebrate 14 August as it is our Independence Day. We should celebrate this day by thanking of Allah Almighty. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फसले गुल के जिससे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. Thank you.